All right, good evening, good morning, depending on your time zone. I'm back again with another good option, good betting option that will be fetching you a lot of money. If you are a high risk, a high staker, sorry to say risk, if you are a high staker and you are looking for a safe, when I mean safe, a safe with at most 90% accurate, yes, 90% accurate kind of option when it comes to any league, whether Europa, Champions League, Premier League, Spain, France League, any league of your choice. This option is gonna be fetching you a lot of money. Now, in my previous video, I talked about baseball. Now, on that baseball, I was unable to, um, bring out the name of this booking platform where you can find this option. Now, reason why I don't used to voice out the name of this bookmaker is because most of these bookmaker, they have agent that is working for them online. Yes, they have agent that is working for them, and one thing about them, this is a game, they don't want to lose. Yes, the more you win from them, the more they are getting angry because they are losing while you're winning. So all of them, they are against them, being at loss. So that's why they have agent, and immediately they come across any kind of video that is talking about one particular option, and they notice that this option has been draining them so much, they are going to automatically remove that option from their website, and you will not find that option again. So that's why I don't normally say voice out the name of the this thing of the bookmaker for any option. But in this one, I'm going to give out I'm going to tell you guys how you can manipulate to this bookies platform, the recommended booking platform for this. But that should be at the end of this video, but don't skip any part of this video. So now this option to happen in 5 minutes, first to happen. I'll tell you the truth, I've been kind of studying it. If you notice on my channel, I do go on research, especially on when it comes to sport betting, just to make sure that I give out the best to my subscribers. So for those of you who have been on my YouTube channel and you are just viewing my video, you haven't yet subscribed, what are you just waiting for? Just subscribe, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell on, because this channel will be fetching you of goods, a lot of goods than any other channel here on YouTube. So guys, let's check out how this option works. First to happen, card no. Now this card no is, let me explain it, is that in the first 5 minutes of any match, there will be no card issue, whether yellow card or red card will not be issued out on that match. As you can see here, they have goal, yes, we have corner, yes, we have card, yes, we have goal, no, we have corner, no, we have card, no. And the odds for this match, for this kind of option, is just 1.03. Like I say, this option will be the best option for those who are high staker. This is a chance for you guys to win big. Now I'm going to show you from flash score a lot of. Okay, let's head over to my flash score. Let me head over to my flash score. It's loading. Let it load. It's loading. Oh, sorry. Here is my today VIP prediction. For those of you who want to join my VIP, you can literally join my VIP. You can just join my VIP, but I will show you guys that here was my VIP ticket. It was a successful one. If you want to join, you can just chat me, and please, if you are chatting me, just know that it's not free. But if you wish to join the VIP section of my WhatsApp, then you can join. So let's talk about the video of the day. So this is my flash score. Now let's take a look at each of these matches. For those of you who have been active on my channel, I predicted this Bournemouth versus Fulham match in the morning. That was one of my prediction that I give out to my subscriber, and I give out a very three options in this match, and the three options all enter except the correct score. My prediction was for the correct score was 2-1, but unfortunately the match ended 3-1, just one goal ahead of the match. Now if you look at here, you will notice that the first card that was first issued was issued at 76 minutes. Okay, now let's check out France. If you look at this match, the first card was issued at 45 minutes. That was half time. Germany match, I'm just taking you guys one after the other the match. You can see that this one was issued around 10 minutes. You remember it's first to happen in 5 minutes. That means from 6 minutes, anything that happened from 6 minutes, your ticket is a one ticket. So you guys should just pay attention. You can see this one happened 34 minutes. That was when card was being issued. As you can see, this one happened 24 minutes. As you can see, this one happened. This one did not even happen. There's no card at all. If you notice this one, no card at all. Upon there is a lot of goal. 2-0, no card at all. Are you guys seeing me? If you know, no card at all. If it, guys, if it's just be this is 5-0, no card at all. Just see this one is live. You can see card was being issued around 67 minutes. Let me check this one that is live also. You can see this one card was issued around 8. Remember that we are talking about first to happen in 5 minutes. What that means is that anything above below 5 is regarded as a win ticket. That's why I tell you guys that I don't want to disclose it, but for you to find the bookmaker for this option, now in the description of this video, yes, in the description of this video, just read very well. You will find the link that will direct you straight to this bookmaker. And on this bookmaker, once you register and use my promo code CBOY, you're going to gain about 360% bonus on your first deposit. So guys, you can do well to check out this option that I'm telling you guys. This strategy is working very well, and it's only in this bookmaker that I think that have this option that I'm showing you guys. This option that you guys are seeing here, where is it? This option, option that you guys are this option that you guys are seeing, first to happen card, no, it's only this bookmaker that have it. So you can do well to check the description of this video, or I'm going to leave it on the pinned comment of this video. So for those of you who want to check it out, you can check it out on the platform. So make sure you use my promo code CBOY so that you will get a verified and well verified account, so that your account will not be kind of flagged or whatsoever. So the link to this platform will be pinned on this video comment section. And please, while registering, use my promo code CBOY, CBOY, or in capital letter, and you're going to receive your first bonuses. So see you guys on my next video.